In this video, I'm going to show you how to log someone out of your Roblox account. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Roblox application, and then here at the bottom right, tap at this three dots icon. Next, scroll down for a bit until you find Settings, and then here tap on Security. Now there you got at the very bottom Secure Sign Out feature. You can tap on that sign out button to sign out of all your other sections. So if I tap here on sign out, it removes all other sessions except that one. And here it says that you have been signed out of all other sessions. I can tap here at OK, and now I can move out of here to my account info, and there I can tap where it says password on that pencil icon next to password, and there I can change my current password to be sure that no one will be able to get access to my Roblox account anymore. So here I have to enter current password, then new password, then confirm new password, and then hit update to update password for my account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.